Hi guys, this is Benny from Yogend in Israel, and I'm really proud to unbox the new S1H from Panasonic Lumix, as it was just released yesterday. So let's see what we got inside. First of all, the box is really solid and very nice. It gives you a touch of luxury in your hands. As soon as we open, we have two boxes. It's basically the same packing as the S1 and S1H. So we have the accessories. We have the camera strap with the S1H logo on it. We have the two USB cables, one for USB-C, USB-A, and USB-C to USB-C. This also allows us to charge and power supply the camera in the same time. We have the connector lockup, a battery, which we're going to be using right now, SDI sync cable, as it is in the GH5S, have the power supply and the charger. Some documents, warranty manual, stuff like that. And finally, our new baby. The S1H. Let's have a look. So, first of all, from just looking at it, it looks very much like the S1 and the S1R. There are some small differences. The main difference is the LCD unit, which you can see it's a little bit more robust. It's because we have a fully tilting LCD on it. And there is also a small gap right here, which is the cooling system, because in the S1H we have an active cooling system. Let's plug in the battery. All right, we have a little bit and on. The on-off button also changed from the S1 and S1R. And it's sitting right now on the record button. Some of the buttons itself also changed to red. It's a very nice touch. Let's put our 50mm 1.4 lens on it and see how it looks. Okay, so first of all, a couple of things about the camera from whoever didn't catch up with the press release yesterday. So we're basically talking about the 24 megapixel sensor, full frame. It's doing 6K in 24 frames per second, 3:2 size. We also have the 4K DCI recording in 50p, and 10-bit 4:2 record out internal recording. A nice touch that they came out with, which is like the big cameras from the Varicam series and the Evo 1, they implemented the dual ISO system in this camera. It means that it has two native ISOs. One of them, the lower one is 640 ISO, and the higher one is the 4000. It means that it can give us a way better image and cleaner image in low light situations. One more change that they did in this camera is right here. Panasonic changed to two SD UHS 2 memory card slots. For us, it's a good news, I think, because not a lot of people want to use the heaviest recording mode in these cameras, and sometimes they just want to have two recording slots and being able to do it in a cheaper memory cards. Camera functions are at the same places. We have all the buttons. We have the upper LCD screen, which gives you the frames per second. In the video mode, it's a different LCD though. In video mode, it explains the frames per second, shutter speed, iris, ISO, and all other functions that we have in this camera. Right now we are in MP4 420 8-bit. It's a very nice touch. If you guys have any other question that you would like to ask us, we'll be more than happy to try to explain and show and test with you guys. This is a pre-production camera, so we cannot ensure that the same image quality is going to be with the fully production cameras. But it looks pretty nice. So here from Yogend in Israel, happy to help you guys. See you guys later. Bye-bye.